Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
It's time to turn up. I did.
It's a video.
Fancy in there.
Okay, Josh, turn!
Yeah, Josh!
Ma'am.
South Drive?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
Where's the north side? Yeah, it says right there. No, but I don't even know where this is going.
We're gonna get lost!
Wait a minute.
Ikot ako dito.
Yeah, should we go here?
Yeah, I think we should turn. There's no one behind us anyways.
I need a...
It says...
Actually, no, you can turn actually.
What happened to you?
You got hit on the side.
I got him.
Aww.
Oh, that actually does hurt.
We all just finished swimming. And everyone's just chilling.
Go!
Yo, go.
You guys are gonna have your assholes.
Yay!
Okay, 1, 2. They don't even know that it's a video. I have a camera. You can't. I'm gonna go with dog. You can't hit me. I have a camera.
Guys, there's no more? More! Go put it.
They're making some backup work. Mimi? Who's Mimi? That?
Wait, why find a way there?
I got that.
Like, in terms of flavor, it's okay. But
You
like,
guys,
in
we're
terms of
leaving
softness,
at
it's
6.
good.
You guys know that, right? Huh? We're leaving at 6.
He got a smiley face on his side. Is that what he called it? Side?
It is?
He needs to go.
That's bad.
And we're not even
Josh
planning
is
to
the
go.
one that's not getting
I know, it's because
he has the camera.
What? Take the camera from him.
Okay.
You can't. She can't.
Josh, ang daya mo.
Yeah,
Why?
you're so madaya.
Didn't you hit me?
Are you recording or are you?
earlier?
I'm recording.
50.
Didn't you hurt?
Camera, shut it.
There's not 6.
That's crazy. Oh,
Isn't it hard?
No.
Yeah. It's hard for me.
Normally, we would be using the bonfire for s'mores, but we're using barbecue.
Oh man, it's like
Sorry.
50.